What is this tool and how is it used? This is JD. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and please hit the like button so you get my videos when they are published. This is a very interesting tool. It's got a flat end here. It looks like a screwdriver end. And it's got a couple of hooks. Maybe it's for knitting. It's a very interesting looking tool. And as I go down the end of this tool here, it looks like it is got a little pointy end here. Like the pointy end on this tool. What do you do with this thing? It looks like a giant pencil. It feels like it's carbon fiber of some sort. Not sure what it's used for, but you know what? I think you're going to tell me what it's used for. It's a watchmaker's tool for sure. But what would a watchmaker do with this? Is it for digging a grave? See how I could do that? Dig a grave? Or if I flip it around really quickly here, is it used for pointing at people you don't like? Or can it be used for keeping a shark away from you as you're scuba diving by poking the shark? Is it used for pointing at objects on a whiteboard to get their attention, to focus on their attention? I don't think it's used for any of that stuff. It's a tool used by watchmakers. How would a watchmaker use this tool? Just a very interesting thing here. Anyway, that's it. What is this tool and how is it used? I'm JD again. Thank you for subscribing. This is yet another tool that I find very, very interesting.